Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Audi A7. So from any screen, you've got Navi here, we'll click Navi. And you've got destination over here, tour, traffic, settings. So we want destination, that corresponds, each corner corresponds to one of these buttons. So we want the bottom left one, destination. You see address highlighted there, we'll click address. That's on start route guidance, that's a bit premature. So we'll go to town and postcode. That brings up this rotary control. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. We now need the numbers. You see the numbers over here in the corner, so we'll click the corner button. Then we want 5, 4. It's defaulted back to letters. E, A, that's us, Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, PR5, 4EA, and then you've got, there we go, we just turn the rotary control to start route guidance.
The route is being calculated.
We want fast route, so that's it. Now also, you see there, I must take a photograph of this as well because you also get the instructions right in the center of your instrument display, so you don't have to look over there. Brilliant system.